Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll guide you through setting up a personal dashboard in your Notion on your PC. First, create a new page and give it a title like My Dashboard. Then choose a clean layout. I recommend the empty with icon option so you can customize from scratch. Now add different sections for your needs. For example, you could create a task list, calendar, notes, or quick link section. Use databases like table, gallery, or board view to make these sections more interactive. Then add headers and dividers to keep everything organized. You can even embed widgets like weather or a clock for quick updates. Finally, customize the icons, cover image, and color to make it visually appealing and motivating. Once set, you will have a central hub for all your daily planning and tracking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.